Hey, have you ever wanted to create a LinkedIn post, promote it, an article with just some of your thoughts, maybe a previous interview? Well, what I'm going to do is show you exactly how I created a post and made a graphic for it. So let's jump right in. So you just finished writing an amazing article and you want to have this cool thumbnail that you're going to use it for. Well, what can you do? What I'm going to do is to show you step by step exactly how I created the background image for one of my LinkedIn posts so that you can do the exact same process. First thing we do is we fire up the Microsoft Edge browser or Skype, and you make sure you have your Bing account active so that you can get access to DALL-E 3. And then what I'm writing in here is some concepts about my article. Like my article is about EarthGrid. It's a search engine. It's a revolutionary search engine based on a triangular, sort of a geodesic kind of a mindset. And so what I'm doing is I'm creating a graphic for that. And I wanted to give this inspiration to Bucky Fuller. And we're going to be talking about that. So here I asked for the EarthGrid as they imagine it, and it gave me all these really cool colors. So then what I did is I said, okay, it's powered by DALL-E 3. DALL-E 3 is created by OpenAI and it's licensed by Bing, and you can actually use Bing absolutely free of charge to create beautiful images for you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to show you exactly what you can do with these images once you have them. So I said, can you turn that into a geodesic global? I meant globe with triangular edges like the hyper. And then I thought, okay, well, how do I explain it to this AI? Like the Bucky Fuller domes. So now it's going to go in there. It's going to look up in Wikipedia, what is a Bucky Fuller dome? How do they look like? And then it's going to create an artist rendering of these triangular edges, because the Earth grid, as I envision it, it's triangular. It's not latitude and longitude. The grid is triangular the way Bucky envisioned it. There's a lot of great information about that. It has to do with the tensegrity of the geodesic grid. So the vision we have for our company logo, the vision we have for our brand, it's all about these triangular edges. So there's a geodesic globe with triangular edges like the Bucky Fuller balls. So what I'm now going to do is we're going to bring that up big so you can see it. I'm going to ask it to now put the colors in like it did in the first one, because these are kind of bland. They look cool, but they don't have the color and the vibe that I want for my graphic. I wanted something rich. I wanted something with those rainbow colors. So that's what we're going to do next. Apply EarthGrid imagined colors to this geodesic dome. And so what it does is it now is referencing the previous images it made, and it's going to create new images based on that. Look at these beautiful images that it's created. DALL-E 3 only creates square images. Even if you ask for it to do that, it won't do it. So that's kind of a bug. It's kind of annoying. But thankfully, we have another tool in our toolkit called Adobe Photoshop, and it is able to extend the background. And we're going to fire up Photoshop, and I'll show you how you can do that. Now, if you don't have Photoshop, then Adobe Express might be able to do it. It gives me a lengthy explanation about why I can't do it. It tries to explain what 16:9 is. And that's one of the big challenges with the so-called AI technology is when you're doing a chat, you're having a conversation with the computer rather than talking directly to the computer and giving it commands. And so it feels like it wants to explain to me the 16:9, which I didn't ask for. I actually wanted it to render the image. So I tried again. It was unable to do so. So in the next video, we're going to fire up Photoshop and we're going to fix that. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.